guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys my office. I have an office, guys. I'm so excited about it. So anyways, guys, first I'm going to show you the space that I used throughout the years. So basically I have an office because my son decided to move to California, so I used that room for an office, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. But first, let me show you what I've been using throughout the years. Alright guys, so this is the area that I have been using as like a workspace. So anyways, let's come closer. So the main reason why this workspace is not functional is because my kids use it as well. My kids love to be in my room. My kids are obsessed with me, which is annoying sometimes, but yeah. So my kids are always in here using the computer as well. Now the laptop is definitely mine. I'm the only one that uses the laptop, and I use that to edit my videos. And I usually edit my videos using my Mac laptop and bed, and that works pretty well with me. But like I said, my kids are always in my room, so I really needed my own workspace. All of this stuff would still be here because, like I said, my kids use this area as well. So yeah guys, so this is what you guys are used to seeing when I am filming. I'm usually like in this corner right here, and I usually have to move my bed all the way to the other side of the room if I don't want my bed in the shop. So yeah, so this is my current space. I really love it, but I really wanted to be able to just have a office space slash YouTube space, YouTube studio, where I don't have to worry about moving the bed around, worry about cleaning or anything like that. Just come and go. So anyways, let's go look at the office, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you
I love you. I love you. Thank you.
On each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it fresh and lose control.
chose this laptop because it will load faster whatever I'm working on, so that way I could work quicker and be more efficient. Now I'm using this laptop for like events, or if I want to have two screens. Say I wanted to research doctor information on the laptop and I want to look at the plans on the desktop, I could have two screens. Now with the iPad, I love the iPad because it's just so simple, so light, and I could just take it to face-to-face appointments, put it in my bag, and I am good to go. So I like that option as well. If you're starting out and you just don't have the money to buy all this equipment, I totally understand. I say either get an iPad or get a laptop. Now this is my desktop, obviously. Desktop is perfect for if you just want to work from home. You don't plan on doing any face-to-face appointments. You just want to work from home. I chose this desktop because it has a Core of i7, and that just means that it will load faster, more efficient. You know, the keyboard is just so sleek and clean. And I like the sound that it makes, you know, nice little click sound or whatever. I'm probably going to change my keyboard later on, only because it needs batteries and I prefer not to have to worry about batteries. So later on, I will replace my keyboard and my mouse. And I will link everything in the description box of every single thing that I purchased. And I'm also going to link the keyboard and the mouse that I want as well. So here you can see I have a ring light, and this is perfect for doing any kind of Zoom meetings or any kind of meetings, so that way, you know, you can see my face and such. And as you guys can see, the desktop do have a camera here, and you can just put the camera away when you're done using it. And also you see my headset. It's a call center headset, perfect for just making the calls. You don't have to hold your phone, so I really like that a lot. And my desk is very similar to the desk that I have in my room. The only difference is that my desk is just a little longer because I really wanted more workspace. So I really love my desk. My daughter put together the desk, and she actually put together the chair. So yeah, so we did that.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets.
In the corner of my desk here, I just have a pen jar and just some lotion. Very simple. I just want to keep my desk very simple and clean. All I need on here is what I'm actually going to use. Here in this corner, I just have a appointment sheet, and I place this appointment sheet in my actual appointment book when I'm done with it. And then I just use this notepad for notes, such as lists of medications that my clients may be on, their doctors, do they have any specialists, do they have anything that's very important to them, such as do they need transportation to the doctors, do they need new dentures or hearing aids, or whatever the case may be. I jot down all my notes onto this folder, okay? So I got my mouse pad from Amazon, such as all of the other equipment in here. Everything will be in the description box below. So anyways, yeah, I love the color. It's so simple and it's so soft, very easy to use, and it just ties the room all together. Right underneath my desk, I just have my organizer to place folders or whatever I need to just keep myself organized. So in this corner right here, I have a mirror behind the door because of course I want to make sure I look put together before I film a video for YouTube, okay? All right, so behind this door is the closet, and all I have in here is my folding table for if I want to do a tabletop event. And up here is the cover for the tabletop, and I just have a heater in the corner. The bag over there just has my cords for my computer. Here I just have a ring light because I don't want to have to move things around constantly from room to room. So my ring light is in here. And then I just have a few shirts in here as well to just be video ready. So yeah, that's that. The details on the wall color, it's called gray screen and a eggshell. And I only had to use one coat. And I got the paint from Lowe's. So those are the details for my wall color. I really love the art wall here. I'm not a fan of gold, but this went really well with the gray, so I really like it a lot. Perfect for doing Zoom meetings because I don't have to worry about cleaning my room or anything like that. This would be my background, so simple and just, I love it. So that's what it looked like at this angle with me right at the door. So yeah, and when I'm doing my Zoom meetings, they will be seeing this, okay? And this plant right here, really love, really gorgeous. Got it from Lowe's. So yeah, I have a similar plant in my living room, but it's not going upwards. It's like kind of like all over. But I really like this one as well. All right, guys, so this wall right here would be for filming my YouTube videos. I like my filming space to be very simple. I may put something on the wall, a picture, but I don't know. I really like it like this. It's really simple and it's really my style.
Heavy, teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew.
I love this chair because it's lightweight, but it's also comfortable as well. It's the same chair that I have in my bedroom, so I had to get it. I got this chair from Ross. If I can find it, I will link it in the description box. This is how I started my channel with kinky hair, you know? Like, I used to love wearing my hair in these buns, and I used to love to have my hair like big and whatnot. So yeah, so that just reminds me of how I started. So I have this plant here. All the plants in my room are real. I love this plant. It's so green and so gorgeous. So yeah, my plants came from either Lowe's or Home Depot. All right, guys, so in this corner, I have another beautiful plant. She is gorgeous. Look at her color. She is so pretty. I have a plant over here as well, also gorgeous. And I have a nice window. So yeah, nice window to bring in some natural sunlight. And I got this very simple drape from, I believe it was Home Goods or Ross or Marshalls. But anyways, I really love the detail. It is so pretty. All of the items that I have, besides the plants and the paintings, will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out.
Time's been moving slowly, so we are